Hi guys, so I'm going to be teaching us how to make this 3D Ankara design. You can call it applique, you can call it 3D Ankara design. Okay, so firstly you're going to get a fabric that has the kind of design you want actually. So this one is having like a leaf, and then I'm going to be cutting everything out like so. It could be in two ways. You could get a stay everything, or this normal stay everything, or cut it out separately. So but I'm cutting it out separately, so this is where I cut it out separately, and then I went ahead to stay it. You can use any form of stay you like depending on how strong you want it to be. Then I went ahead to get a hemming gum, so and then I use it to gum it together. And then you can always use focus on just the part that's going to be outside. I thought it was going to come out with in same shape. That was why I just tried to use leaf on the other side and leaf on this side too, but it was one side I ended up using. So after you've stayed everything, make sure that edges that you're going to be using what's it called, to trim, that you're going to be using your soldering iron to trim. So make sure the hemming gun has entered it. You've used iron to press it well, and it is well gummed together. So you use your soldering iron. You can get this from those that sells tailoring materials too. So use it to trace it out, and then you just have to be calm with this. I tried to bring it closer, but it was not easy for me trimming it while holding it. So this is what you would do. You trim it out, so that the edges will be neat. And then if you don't have this, you can also use a scissors too. You can put it on fire, probably like gas, and then use it to cut it through. But this is much more easier, and then much more faster and much more neater. So that's what I was trying to do there. And then so you can just go through, try and fix it well. So doing this, I went ahead, I already sketched what I wanted to use on a fabric, then on a paper, then I cut it on the fabric. This place that I'm sewing it on is on the yoke of the cloth I'm sewing. So I think the most important thing is probably getting how to get this Ankara 3D. Some might call it appliques, it depends. So this is because of the style I'm using it for, so that's why I had to remove the shape. Then I pin it together, place it on it, and then sew it together. So that gave me the shape I was going to use for the style I was making. So that's what I'm trimming out here, so you can see. Try to trim it out, and then what I needed was outside. You will see the result at the end of the video. So that is it. Then I added the bustier part to it. Like so. I sewed it with that down part that I use in shaping the 3D appliques. 3D design. So then I covered it with lining. So this is not the basic tutorial today. This is just on the Ankara. And if you want me to make a tutorial on how I went about the down part, the bust area, you could drop a message so I could know. So this is the final results on the full design that I did, and this is the client rocking it beautifully and so happy, so pleased with what she got. So and then it was all patched on the dress, and all stoned all through. So let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this is helpful. If you find it helpful, you can hit the like button. Don't forget to share and follow for more. Thank you so much for watching.